Even though we're in a very rural place in Maine, within a very short period of time, you are in a major city that could have everything that you could want.
Having Portland so close to our campus is awesome because you can take a ride in there on any given day and go to a concert or go out to eat or go see a show or anything like that. So it's an awesome amenity to have so close to our campus.
The college does offer transportation opportunities via college vans for students to travel into Portland and take advantage of a city that offers the culture, the music, the theater, the movies, the restaurants, and certainly, again, the outdoor life.
There's a lot of opportunities to be explored by potential students participating in the Portland First Friday Art Walks or being connected to local community partners through our service learning projects.
I created a series called Portland Concert Series where our office offers as a box office for our students, and they can purchase tickets to any concert within Portland through our office for a discounted rate of $10, and that includes a safe ride to the show and back to campus.